Hello and welcome to another free code session. My name is Jason Bach, and I figured off camera what I was doing wrong, so this works. I had to put the methods within classes. I don't know. I don't care. It works, and everything comes back as true. So we're going to say, I get used to 107 now because I was used to 121 for so long. Added is esoteric. I'm not even sure if that's the right name that I want to use for this. It's just something that cannot be used for generic. So we'll go with this for now. The next thing I need to do is say generate names for pointers. So this is get name test for I type symbol extensions. So this is get name from declare type. Yeah, I want to get the name for a pointer though. And that's a little different because I can't put those in generic. So I want to do something where I get like, get type symbol. This is where I'm going to have to do what I did before, which is get type symbol for get name for esoteric type. I would say your public void unsafe void. I don't think I have to care about spans, because those should just happen. So this is actually where calling it esoteric is a little weird. We just really care about if it's a pointer type. Get type symbol from parameter. Okay, so up here we're going to say get type symbol from parameter, and then we're going to say get name. And what we should expect this to be is int. Actually, int star. That's what we want it to be, but it's not going to be. I'm almost positive. Oh crap. There is no type name option, so I don't even know if this would. Oh yeah, I'm sorry. It failed. What did it fail on? But was string empty because I don't know what you wanted. So just step into this. Do we get a type symbol? Yes, we do. Okay, so let's step in. And we say, if include in generics, we do that. If we can say flatten generics, that. Otherwise, we just say self-name. And there is no name for this. Sounds legit. Because toString. Well, yeah, that would work. Wow, that's actually interesting, is that there is no name. Get name, we don't want to infinitely call ourselves. Is namespace metadata name. Yeah, that don't work. I didn't expect that to. ToString. Wow, that's, what do you say if toDisplay string? No, not parts, string. It's int pointer. So if it's a pointer type, you actually have to call toString. Name doesn't work. That's just a little surprising. It's just symbol name. Returns the empty string if unnamed. Okay, well, we're going to put in self is pointer, and of course, no. I already did this. Sort of. But I don't care if it's esoteric. I care, yeah, kind is I think I'm going to do only 2 episodes a day, and I might make this one short because for whatever reason my brain is just not working. Self kind is equal to pointer type, or self kind is equal to function pointer type. If either of those are true, then we say self dot just toDisplay string. Else we do that. No, else we do that. So now if we come back to this test, this should now work. Right? And it does. Okay. There are different options, though. There are no generics, include generics, and flatten generics. Well, no generics and include generics are the same. Flatten is a different case, because flatten, what we want to say here is, well, we actually want this to say not in pointer, because flatten generics is used when we're actually wanting to get a name for like a file or something like that, or a name of a class or something like that. So we don't want to put in the pointer there because that would be an invalid name. So what we want this to be is something like int pointer, or even int32 pointer. I don't care. If it's include generics, then it would be the same as if we called this with include generics. There's probably some logic here that I could probably figure out. So we should probably see 2 out of 3 pass and 1 fail. I was right. Yes, of course, you don't tell me. You don't tell me. Why? No. Why is it flipping between the two? Why can't I show all? That's weird. In pointer, but int. Yes. Okay, so if it's include, it's flatten, and yeah, so we want to keep that because we've already had that. But if we say if it's flatten and the type is a pointer type, then we need to, what's the function thing going to look like? Delegate pointer of? Yeah. Huh. This is beyond my brain power right now. So, because we want it to act like flatten generics, we just want to get like the, for the function pointer, we want to get all the names there, and then that should be okay. But for just a pointer type, we want it to be somewhat different. Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to say, cut that out. If self is name type symbol, then we're going to do that. Okay. If self dot kind is equal to pointer type, else if, then we would just do that. Okay. It's getting a little messy, but that's fine. Okay, so if it's a pointer type, what do we do when we're passing in an int? What do we get for a flatten name? No generics, no generics. Oh, it's just int. We don't, I don't really care if it's an int pointer or, that is fine. But how would we figure out, I could just say take off the star and then just replace that with pointer. Return self dot to display string. Can you do parts? No, probably not. Maybe. Replace with pointer. Okay. Well, now it's gonna bark at this because it's not int pointer, it's int, which is fine. There. See, and it's just that simple. Now, oh my God, how am I gonna do this? Let's say we had a delegate of int and void, because it returns nothing. That's apparently correct syntax. I have no idea what this is going to do in this case. Delegate star. Yeah, what do you fail on? Ah. That kind of makes sense. I would buy that for $1. That actually kind of makes sense. But we want no generics. Yeah, I could see this for, well, okay, see, this is one of these funny things where, you know, hold on. I really want to see C# 9 function pointers. It's a specification proposal, but they don't seem to have like anything. I guess this is as specific as it gets because that's conversion between delegate types is done or signature based on the code. Wow. This has gotten a little funky. I did not expect it to go this managed or unmanaged. Calling convention. Yeah, it function pointer equivalents without calling convention and with calling convention. Yeah, it's cute. Oy boy. Does it actually even make sense? Like that's a generic syntax, but is that actually even a generic? You know what I mean? Because if you look down here, there was an example. Well, they did something like a delegate pointer of a delegate pointer, which is there. Like, what is that? You know, I have no idea. I mean, I think what it's doing right now is it's simply following through and saying you display string it and there you go. But a pointer type would never be a generic. But we're doing these for esoteric types. So let's just kind of play with this for a second. This might be the shortest episode I've ever done because I am fading fast and I don't know why. I feel very, very tired right now. So what is this? This is an end pointer, so that's fine. This should be a delegate, yeah. Clear all, so we want to say self dot type parameters? Nope. Yeah, self as I named type symbol. Yeah, it's not even a name type symbol. It's not what we thought it was. This could get nasty. Because what happens if I'd want to use that as a name of something? I'd actually no. What did I just do? To display parts. There's a lot of them. There's a lot of them. But these are all just to list. What is the 0th? It's a kind. It's a keyword. Okay, what about the first? It's a punctuation. It's also a punctuation. Yeah, these are just like literal party parts, and that's not what I'm kind of looking for. I'd really want this to be parsed out to minimal display parts. What is that? Oh, yeah, I don't know if I want to go down that road. Nullable flow state, position, whatever. Yeah, I don't want to do that. Well, I think I'm going to actually stop here. This one will be short because I can't get my head around what I would actually if I truly want to support this, then how do I declare an arg of one of these things? And does it even make sense? Like a lot of this pointer and span stuff, I don't even know if it makes sense. But this is, again, something to explore and play with. I might have to do some digging off camera because this is going down a rabbit hole I did not expect. And I'm trying to minimize that on camera here. So I'm thinking I could like parse the name myself, but then you get unmanaged, you get manage, and you get all this stuff. And again, we're just trying to get to the point of a name that would actually fit in a symbol. We don't really even care about what it kind of looks like. But yeah, I can't go on. I got brain meltdown right now. So I'm going to stop for right now. So thank you all for watching. Leave comments and questions below. See you in the next episode.